We've seen the ads for using OxiClean to clean a really severely stained product, but does it work as a laundry booster as well? It claims to. Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if you've had any experiences with OxiClean. I ran an experiment with my towels that are white in my bath cloths and my kitchen towels to see if using OxiClean as a booster in regular washing would indeed whiten them. Here's my results. The OxiClean stain remover is actually quite expensive. I got the one that was $4.96 for 38 loads. Perhaps in hindsight I should have gotten the White Revive, but it was $7.56 for 45 loads. Here are my towels before I used the product on them. You can see especially the bath cloths are very stained. I use white bath cloths because I just like white. I like the really thin ones because I like to soak them up, and the towels are thin because I basically just pat myself dry, so I don't need a lot of terry cloth rub on there. The kitchen towels are dirty because they get stained with coffee, and products like Tide with Bleach have not really done anything for them. I have a video up about Tide with Bleach and it didn't really have good results. I'm eager to see what the OxiClean does. This is a piece of white copy paper just to show you a comparison of how stained they are. Pretty bad, right? They're clean, they're just not bright white. And not even chlorine bleach really helps. I'm using the OxiClean for the very first time today. It looks as if I can use it in my laundry by using my washing machine. If I really want to get something clean, I can soak it like in a tub of water using this first column here. I have a top loading machine, which you see there. I'm going to fill the washer with the hot water, add my detergent, and add the OxiClean before I wash my white towels. There's a little disclaimer notice about things not to use it on. You don't want to use it on wool, wool blend, silk, leather, or anything with dry clean only. You don't want to use it on jewelry, wicker, or wood, any kind of wood. OxiClean works best in warm to hot water. Let's try it. I'm using Gain, so I have really hard water, so I'm actually going to put 2 scoops of Gain in there. I always put water in the washing machine and let the water dissolve it before I add any detergent, especially using powder, because I don't want to get residue on there. Let's see what this looks like. It has no odor. It does not have a bleachy type scent or any kind of scent at all. Ooh, the scoop is bigger than I thought it would be. And since my towels are pretty stained, I'm going to add 2 scoops of the OxiClean. Look at that. It's a little packed in there. This scoop is not really effective for this size container. Still, it doesn't really work there. They need a more of a spoon top thingy. You need more of a, it needs more of a spoon top scoop Just curved around the edges there because you can't get in there and fill it up. Yeah, the scoop needs improvement. That's what it looks like. I'm going to agitate it a minute. Just do that by pressing the switch. It's pretty full load. I washed the towels and folded them poorly. As you can see, I don't see that much improvement on the bath cloths, washcloths. They still look pretty dingy to me. The kitchen towels perhaps looked a little bit brighter. Are they glow in the dark? No. Here's the same exact piece of paper to compare it to. The bath cloths just didn't really improve. I'm going to get a stack that have not been treated and compare them. This stack was the ones I showed before. They've had absolutely no OxiClean on them. These are the ones that were washed today with OxiClean, and I just don't see any difference. So did the 2 scoops of OxiClean in my white towels make a difference? Not that I see. I guess if I want to get these really, really white, I'm going to have to do the soak thing where I put way more OxiClean in there than what I did today. I'm going to use 3 scoops this time. This scoop is really not suited for this type of container. And I'm going to put 3 scoops in here and let it soak a little bit longer, because I really want to see if this is going to help brighten those towels. So 3 scoops of the OxiClean. And I normally use 2 scoops of any type of detergent that I'm using, just because this is a large washer and we have hard water. Going to be a large load, putting it on hot, cold rinse, and heavy duty. The water can get full, I'll add the towels and then stop that, let it soak a little bit. Close the lid. Let it agitate for a little bit to dissolve the detergent and the OxiClean. Add the towels. And run it for about 5 minutes and then pull the knob out and let them set in it for a little while. 5 minutes are up. How's that for a high-tech timer? I'm going to set this for 59 minutes. This is as long as I can, and let it soak for 59 minutes. Give it a little bit more time to work this time. These are the same towels after the second use with the OxiClean. They still don't have a glow-in-the-dark white. This is the same exact piece of paper. I kept it taped to the laundry room wall. It's just not getting the bath cloth water at all. I think the kitchen towels might be a little bit brighter. Now let's compare them to the ones that have not been washed. The ones on the right have had 2 sessions with the OxiClean. The ones on the left have had no sessions. I've kept them separate. I guess they are a little bit whiter. They're not any whiter, I think, than had I used regular bleach, but not really worth that extra kind of money. The towels on the right are the ones that have had 2 sessions with the OxiClean. Towels on the left have not. And I really don't see any difference. My final take is using OxiClean as a booster in regular detergent does not really whiten any better than regular bleach does. It costs quite a bit more than a regular container of bleach. So for me, using OxiClean as a laundry booster is not cost effective, and it's not really effective at all. So I won't be buying it again. You may have different results if you have a really super stained item that you're going to be using to soak, but I tried it, and no. Thank you for watching my review. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate, and until next time, I'm going to keep on doing things that will help us to save money, improve our lives, and find more happiness moments. Bye.